Just sitting here listening to the Tigers.
It's time you asked around. Maybe it's time to ask Comerica.
Comerica commercial.
Answers to you. Since 1849, we've given our customers the personalized one-on-one attention they need.
They give their customers personalized one-on-one attention.
Make you sit on hold. Comerica actually sits down with you. From understanding which mortgage program is best for you to getting the capital your business needs. Simply ask Comerica. With over 161 years of know-how.
Have you asked Comerica?
Professionals can show you how.
Did they sit down with you to see what mortgage fits your needs?
Ask Comerica. We answer to you. To find a Comerica
Did they answer to you?
nearest you, visit Comerica.com or
Probably not. I haven't found a bank yet that'll sit down with the customer and see what their needs are and assist them based on their needs. If you're refinancing or looking for a mortgage, before you waste your time sitting down with one of these mortgage brokers, ask two questions. One, do they hold their mortgages in-house? Two, the appraisals that you'll have to pay for before the paperwork's even submitted, are they based on value? True value of the home, what you've invested in it. Forget the equity, we're not asking that. What you've invested in it. Or are they based on comparables? Based on surrounding sales? 44 banks so far over the past year here in Michigan. I've presented a consolidation refinance plan. In order to consolidate debt, help the homeowner keep their home, help the homeowner reduce their monthly payments without even considering bankruptcy or foreclosure. Based on your current payment, your monthly payment right now that you're paying for your mortgage, which you were already approved for when you bought your home, that you could afford. With today's rates, more than likely, you'll see that on that same payment, you could borrow money, you could borrow against your mortgage, refinance, and have money extra, finance extra, that would eliminate debt. I'm not talking cash out. I'm talking about paying off your outside debt, credit cards, car loans, college loans, whatever it might be. Simply for the payment that you're paying now on a mortgage. If a bank would look at this and understand the logic behind this and truly listen to me about the concept behind it and the good it would do for everybody, businesses, homeowners, jobs, the banks themselves, they might see the light at the end of the tunnel. Can you imagine getting up in the morning and looking in the mirror before you go to work and saying, you know what, I only have one bill each month. I have a mortgage payment. All that other money that you're sending out to outside debt, other loans, gone, consolidated. And that extra money is being put back in your pocket. You're putting it in your bank account. And the life you'd have. Can you imagine looking in the mirror and not even worrying about debt? You still have the same debt, but by consolidating it, you're not wasting all that money, sending all that money out, wondering where you're going to get the money each month to pay interest, which just goes into pockets of the lender. Interest don't get circulated. Interest stops with the lender. That's like their money. That's where the money's going today. Comerica. I would enjoy sitting down with you, bank number 45 here in Michigan, and discussing with you an open option, a new option, an option that fits today's economy and will work in this financial crisis. If you truly sit down one-on-one and devise a mortgage plan based on the individual needs, I would enjoy sitting down with you. I ask you now to envision that idea. Allow the homeowner to consolidate their debt simply for the same amount of the payment, allowing them to pay the same amount each month, but refinancing to eliminate debt. Imagine what that would do for the economy, for the homeowner, for peace of mind, and for your business. 44 banks. Many of them were open. Many of them, after sitting down, came to the same old thing. Property levels are down based on foreclosures. Values based on bankruptcy. Values aren't down. What the homeowners invested is what they've invested. You can't tell a homeowner who's created a home for a family, dreams, memories, that he wasted his money in his investment of that property. Everything I've invested in my property, I have no regrets, and I will continue to invest in my property regardless of what the papers, the media, the banks, government wants me to believe. I will not be the homeowner 5-10 years down the road that rides by and looks at a dilapidated house and say, why did I let it get this far? No homeowner should have to do that. No homeowner should lose their home because a bank isn't willing to work with them. I call on you now to look at the possibilities of refinancing, to look at the possibilities behind true value, and consider new plans that fit the homeowners in today's society. I look forward to that phone call. I would like to end with bank number 45. I would like to meet one more time with you to seriously discuss reasonable options. I look forward to your phone call. I'm available anytime. And for the sake of humanity and other property owners, sit down and consider policies, plans, anything that will actually work for the customer, not against the customer. I'm going to end here. I can go on and on and on. I simply listen to the Tigers and I hear your commercial every day. And every day I think about the possibilities and the what ifs and what could be. Help me bring those to light. Help me say thank you, God, for bringing me Comerica, for allowing us to get our life back on track, and our neighbors and our families and the hard workers who own properties, who don't want to lose them. I pray every day that this madness stops. Help us stop it. Support the homeowners. Show you really care. Thank you.